Tizen OS is an operating system developed mainly for smart TVs, wearables, and connected devices. It's designed to be lightweight, fast, and optimized for smart device experiences. But the real question is, should you use it before watching this? Now, to be fair, Tizen OS is not some random software project. It has powered millions of devices and has been widely used in smart TVs and wearable products. What it does well: fast and lightweight. Tizen is designed to run efficiently on devices with limited resources. Smooth smart TV experience. Navigation and app launching can feel quick and responsive. Where the hype falls apart, app availability can be more limited. This is the biggest issue. Compared with larger ecosystems, software availability can feel smaller. Not every app arrives immediately. Some popular apps and services may appear later or have fewer features. Less flexibility than full desktop systems. Users wanting heavy customization may feel restricted. So, should you download Tizen OS? Short answer: it depends on the device. If you're using hardware designed for Tizen, the experience can be smooth and optimized. But if you're expecting a complete replacement for broader operating systems, expectations may be too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.